Hello students, welcome to AriserTalent. I'm your maths faculty Arpita Sharma. Students, we are discussing quadratic equation and so far we have completed all the theory and doing some questions. Students, exercise is good for health, so we are having one more question here. So what was the question actually? We have to solve each of the following quadratic equation and we have solved this one, and now our turn is to solve this equation. We have to find out the roots of this equation x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 2 and x plus 3, that is equals to 26. So students, what we are going to do? We are going to just part this board, right? Okay. So here's the solution part, students. We are given this equation, which is what? X plus 1 plus x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 equals to 26. Now, okay, we have to solve this. So, we are not able to see any square here. So, how will it become a quadratic equation if it's not having square terms? It's simple, just solve and let's see. Okay, because here it's x, here it's x. So, multiplication of 2x gives you x square, right? Here also this x will multiply with this x and we'll have x square. Okay students, so let's find out this. That will be x square plus x plus, now x multiplied by x plus 3 will give you x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equals to 26. Again x square will give you 2x square. Now this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So can I write 6x, right? Okay, so I am writing 6x. Now this is 6 lonely. Okay, so we are doing this thing plus 6 and here minus 26. Okay, so now that will give you 2x square plus 6x minus 20 equals to 0. Now can you smell something here? 2, right? 2. Okay, so can I take common this 2 and x square plus 3x minus 10 equals to 0, right? Now this 2 will get vanished. I am having this x square plus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. Okay, so it will become 10 multiplied by 1, coefficients, right, constant terms 1 and 10 will give you what? 10. Now 10's factors are 5 and 2 and only these two, right, because this is a prime number, this is a prime number, so we are not going to have any other factorization of 10 other than this. Okay, so now 10 and 1 can't give us 3, but 5 and 2 can give us 3. That will be 5x minus 2x minus 10 as it is equals to 0. Now x common, okay, x plus 5, okay. Now minus 2 common, what will become? X plus 5 equals to 0. Again we are having x plus 5 common, so again it will be x plus 5 and x minus 2 equals to 0. So students, what you concluded that roots of this equation will be x equals to minus 5 and x equals to 2. Right or wrong? Say right. Okay, so this is our answer. Answer for this question, students. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 x plus 3 will be equals to 26, will be having roots of a equation 5 equals to minus x equals to minus 5 and x equals to 2. Okay, so done with this. So next question. Okay, so we'll be having a next question here, and that will be wait, that will be this, not this, this. We have to find out, yes, right. We have to find out the value of these 4 given values. How? You have to look at, okay. Now, alpha and beta are roots of the equation. Which equation? This equation, x square minus 6x plus 1 equals to 0. So, we have to find out the value of a square, alpha square plus beta square, alpha is to power 4 plus beta is to power 4, alpha cube plus beta cube, and alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Now, students, it's time to revise something. Okay, so when we knew that we are having some roots of quadratic equation, that is alpha and beta, there will be 2 roots. Now, what are these 2 roots? If you put the value of these roots in your equation in the place of that variable, let it be x, let it be y, let it be z, or whatever, t, r, s, t, whatever you call it. So, in this particular equation, this is x. So, when you put the value of these roots in given equation, then the value of that equation becomes 0. Okay, right or wrong? Right now. So, we have discussed also the summation of the roots and the product of the roots. Okay, the formulas we derived was what? The addition of the roots alpha and beta, that will be what? Minus of b by a, and the multiplication was simply c by a. Right. So, these were the 2 basic relationships between the coefficient of an equation and the roots of an equation. Okay. So, what will I do now? I will use these expressions to find out the value of these. Now, if I look at it, it's looking nothing like this. But can I add and subtract something from this equation, alpha square plus beta square, and can make it something like a plus b, and let's suppose alpha and beta, or a combination of what, that alpha plus beta is there and alpha beta is also there. So, just try, let's give it a try. Solution. Now, I am having given equation. What is given equation, students? Given equation is x square minus 6x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Now, I have to find out the values. So, I will write, this implies that a equals to 1, b equals to minus 6 and c equals to 1. How? Because I have compared this particular equation to the standard equation a square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So, if I am comparing this equation with the standard equation, I will be having this a equals to 1, b equals to minus 6 and c equals to 1. Now, alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, alpha multiplied by beta equals to c by a, right or wrong? Say right, okay, because I have taught you, right? So, you should know, or if you don't know, then revise notes, right? So, now we are having this alpha plus beta, alpha multiplied by beta. So, what I will be doing? I am having values here. I am going to solve the part 1. This is the part 1, alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square. How will I change it? I will write it, that should be equals to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta. Now, a square plus b square plus 2ab, what will it become? Alpha plus beta, a plus b whole square. So, alpha plus beta whole square. Now, minus 2 alpha beta. So, it will be alpha plus beta's value is minus b by a square. Okay. minus 2 multiplied by alpha beta C by A. Put the values now, right? So, minus B, minus of minus B will become what? 6. Okay, and A is 1. Now, square. Minus 2. C is 1. Right? Yes. Okay. So, A is again 1. 1, 1. Okay. So, it's so simple, that will be 36 minus 2 equals to 34. So, students, this value will be 34 because I have just add and subtract something. So, the value will remain the same. So, I have this 34 as the value of alpha square plus beta square. Now, note this, students, so that we can move forward. Now, students, come to this side, second part. The second part we have asked about the value of alpha is to power 4 plus beta is to power 4. Now, understand, students, that we have done this kind of thing before, right? How? We have solved x is to power 4 equation, kind of equation somehow. How? We just converted it into x square whole power square. Okay. So, here that become, and then we find out by substituting the value. So, can I write this alpha 4 plus beta 4 equals to alpha square plus beta square. So, that will be alpha 4, alpha is to power 4 and beta is to power 4. Now, students, what I am doing? 2 alpha square beta square, that is a square b square plus 2ab. Now, minus, I have to minus also it to balance the equation. Okay, students, so what will it become? It will become alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha square beta square. Now, students, somehow we calculated the value of alpha square plus beta square here equals to 34. So, I can do two things, whether I'll just derive it again so that you can do it again. If you are not given with this first question and you have asked directly this second question, then what you have to do? For this particular portion, you have to do all these steps again and then you will solve it. So, I am just directly putting the value of alpha square plus beta square. Now, the value of alpha square plus beta square equals to 34. So, I will just put 34 here and square minus 2 alpha square beta square is again what? Alpha beta square. Okay. So, that will be 34 square minus 2 multiplied by alpha beta. Now, value of alpha beta was C by A. Now, C was 1 and A was again 1. Okay. So, value of alpha beta is again what? 1. So, 1 square. So, what can it be? 34 divided by 34, 16, 12 and 13, 12, 10. That will become 6, 5, 1, 1. So, that will 1156 minus 115, minus 1. Okay. So, it will give you 1155 as your answer. Here it was your answer. Okay, students. Now, I am rubbing this portion here. Come this side. Now, students, this is our third expression, alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay. So, what will I do? I can have that in the power of 3. So, I will be having this alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta plus, okay. So, it will become alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha square beta plus 3 alpha beta square. So, I have to minus it 2 minus 3 alpha square beta minus 3 alpha beta square. Okay. So, it will become, this complete term will become alpha plus beta whole cube, then minus 3 alpha square beta minus 3 alpha beta. Okay. So, now students, value of alpha plus beta, right, is what? Alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, and we have figured out that this is minus b by a will give us again 36. So, this will be 36. Okay. The complete alpha plus beta square, this value will become short to 36. Now, 36 minus 3 multiply by alpha beta multiply by, let us see this, alpha beta. So, can I check this alpha beta multiply by alpha minus 3 alpha beta multiply by beta. Now, students, value of alpha beta, alpha multiply by beta is equals to what? 1 from here, c by a is what? C by a 1 by 1. So, it is 1. Okay. So, c by a is what? 1. So, value of beta equals to 1 by alpha and value of alpha is equals to 1 by beta. Okay. So, can I write by this that 36 minus 3 multiply by alpha beta? Okay. Now, I can write it as 1 by beta here minus 3 alpha beta and 1 by alpha here. Okay, students. So, I am rubbing this portion, students. Okay. So, it will become 36 minus alpha beta and alpha beta, right. So, I can take minus 3 alpha beta. Now, alpha beta's value is what? 1 multiply by 1, and in common it will be what? It can either be alpha and beta also, right. So, here it will be alpha and here it will be beta. So, it will be alpha plus beta. Now, value of alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. Now, minus b. B is what? Minus 6. Okay. And a is what? A is 1. So, that will be what? 6 multiply by 6. Okay. Now, it will become 36 minus 18. So, it will become 18. So, 18 is our answer, right? From here it is. Now, this is our third portion. So, this is 18. That was 1155. Now, it is alpha cube plus beta cube minus 2 alpha beta. So, the next question is question number 4, which is alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay. This is the fourth one. Now, alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, this can be written as alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta plus 2 alpha beta. Now, plus 2 alpha beta, then minus 2 alpha beta. Okay. So, this is what? Alpha plus beta whole square, we have done it before, right? A square plus b square plus 2ab, now minus 4 alpha beta. Now, this is alpha plus beta square. Alpha plus beta square we have put before, just before the value is 36. So 36 here it is minus 4 multiply by alpha multiply by beta. Now alpha and beta we have seen that the value is 1 by 1 equals to 1. So that will become 36 minus 4, and what is 36 minus 4 is 32. So here our answer will become 32. So these are the answers, right? And here these are the answers. Okay. So note it, students, so that we can move forward. Okay. Right, students? Okay. Now the next question, if the product of two positive consecutive odd integers is 255, find the integers. Now it's saying to find the integer. Now characteristics of integers are, they are positive, one thing, they are consecutive, second thing, now they are odd integers, third thing. We are having three things, right, students? So it's saying that we are having any number x, right, and then we will be having some another number, right. Now tell me one thing, if x equals to 0, it is what? An odd number? 0 is not an odd number, okay, but 1 is. So if x equals to 1, so 1 will be an what? An odd number. How can I make a variable so that I can have this value always equals to an odd number, right? So can I do 2x? Now if you put 0, it will become 0. Now 0 is not odd, so it's not working. Now I am saying 2x plus 1. Now if it's 2x plus 1, if I put 0, that will become 1. If I put 1, then 2 plus 1, 3. If I put what? 2, then 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. Then I will take this equals to 3, 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. So again continuous odd number I am getting. So yes, what I can suppose that this first integer which is odd can be in the form of 2x plus 1. Now if my let's suppose 1 is the first odd number. Now how 1 will be the first odd number? If I will put 0 here, then it will become 1. Okay. Now what will be the second number here? Second consecutive odd number here? That will be for sure 3. Now how can I make this as 3? Can I take this 2x plus 3 as second odd number, second consecutive odd number? Okay, so if I am putting 0 here, that will give me 1. If I will put 0 here, that will give me 3. Now if I am putting 1 in both, then the value will be 2 plus 1, 3, and 2 to the 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 2 to the 4 plus 1, that is 5, okay. So that will be 5 and that will be 6, sorry, that will be 7, that is 5, that is 7, these are two consecutive odd numbers. Now if I am taking this value as 2 and this value again as 2, then 2 to the 4 plus 1, okay, I have taken this value 2, now I will be taking the value equals to 3, okay, so 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7, and here 3 to the 6 plus 7, 8, 9, 9. Now these are again consecutive odd number. So this formula works. Okay. Now I will start my question because I have understood that what this question is trying to say. Now it's saying the product of two positive consecutive odd integers is 255. Now again the solution, let the first odd positive integer equals to what? 2x plus 1. Okay. Here value of x is whole number, right? Now, or you can write like this also, x belongs to whole number. Now students, we are having, so the here you are having this word consecutive, that means the next one, consecutive odd positive number will be, integer will be what? Equals to 2x plus 3, right? Where x belongs to the whole number set, right students? Okay. Now, as per the statement, what is the statement? Statement is the product of two positive consecutive odd integers is 225. Product of numbers equals to 255. So what it implies that the consecutive numbers, two numbers are 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 3 is equals to what? 255. Now we can solve this. 2 to the 4 x square plus 6x plus 2x plus 3 equals to 255, right students? Now it will become, if I sort it, that will become 4x square plus 8x plus 3 and minus 255 will give you what? Minus of 252 equals to 0. Now can I take common 4? Right. Okay. So it will become x square plus 2x minus 624, 1, 3 times 12, 63 times, okay, equals to 0. Now can I factor 63? So factorization of 63 will become what? 63, 3, 2 times, then 1 time, 3, 7 time and 3. So that will be 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Okay. So how can you make 2 with this? This is 6 and this is 6 and this is 7. No. Then can I take this 21 and 3? No. Then what can be else? 9 and 7. Right. 9 and 7 can be the factors. So that will become x square plus 9x minus 7x. Now it is what? 2x minus 63 equals to 0. So here I take x common, that will be x plus 9 minus 7 x plus 9 equals to 0. Okay. Now students, that will give you x plus 9 and in bracket x minus 7 equals to 0. Okay. So it will become that x equals to minus 9 either or x equals to 7. Now understand this question, it has asked about two positive consecutive numbers, right, and the numbers were what? 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 3, implies that 2x plus 1 2x plus 3, right, at x equals to, if you put x equals to minus 9, right here also, minus 9 multiply by 2 will give you a larger minus number, plus smaller positive number will give you negative. Again here you will be finding the negative number. Now students, you will not be finding negative number because it's talking about positive number only. So what will I do? I will replace this as 7 because I am having two values, so I will pick this positive value only, right, this value. Okay. So if I will take this 7 here, 7 to the 14 plus 1 is what? 15. Now 7 to the 14, 15, 16, 17. So students, I am telling you that 15 and 17 are the answers. Now it's saying the two consecutive, the product. Now you can check. How you can check it? You can just check it, students. You can just check it by multiplying, because it's saying the product is what? That is 35, 8 and 17 here. Okay, so it is what? 5, 5 and 2. So 255, yes, it is 255. So our answers are right, students. So this is our answer here, right? This and this. Okay, so note this. So we can move forward, or wait, we will just conclude this lecture, students. We have done good questions here. So we'll meet in next lecture and do some more good questions. We'll practice some more good questions on this topic, students. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Signing off.